Hello and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is Tracy. Today I'm going to do a boxing, not an unboxing. As most of you know, or some of you know, 7 years ago I started my business out as a bakery, and it was Davis Sweet Taste Bakers. Well, since 2019, around COVID season, I backed down on that and dove into my arts and crafts. So I am slowly but surely going through my baking goods. I still bake, don't get me wrong. I just don't do the elaborate baking anymore. But I am slowly and surely going through my baking items and getting rid of them. So I have these to box up, not these. I've gone through these are fondant molds. And as you see, I have plenty. So I've gone through this box and taken out the ones that I do not want. All of these so far, I probably will go through this once again. All of these I plan on keeping. And I plan on keeping them for the purposes of my artwork. These can be used with resin. And I have a lot to choose from to do different things with my resin. And like I said, I will probably still go through this box one more time to see if I want to keep all of this or break it down some more. But there's quite a few that I can use in my resin art. So, with that being said, let me show you what I'm going to box up and send out of state to a lovely individual who wanted fondant molds. She's a beautiful person. Don't know if she wants me to name her, so I won't. And if so, I'll tag her later. But these are going out of state. They're getting out of my house. And let me just show you some of the things that I am sending her way. I'm just going to drop them in here because, like I said, it's so many. Hopefully they'll all fit in this box. They should. There's one. And some of these I had two of. So if I had two of them, I'm definitely giving them up. I'm just going to drop these in here, y'all. Oh, this one is the Eiffel Tower. Getting rid of that. This is a bear, a baby bear. You put your fondant in there, you wrap it with a rubber band, you let it sit and get hard, and then you take it out. Oh, I had a set of knives for, I started to keep this one, but I'm not going to use it. I use this around Valentine's Day, I believe. Okay, there's more to come. Little shoes, Christmas, lips, king crowns, hearts, masquerade mask, little baby items, footprints, little baby feet, more crowns, baby. I didn't need any of those. This is a lipstick one. You stuff it in there, stuff the fondant in there, wrap it with rubber bands, and it's a tube of lipstick. Unicorn ears. Stuff it in there, wrap it with a rubber band, let it set, take it out. Unicorn horn, same concept. Grapes. Little flowers. Bows, eyelashes for unicorn, just all kinds. More lips, bows, strawberries, Mr. and Mrs. double hearts, ballerina, small unicorn horns, flower, little dress, a frame, little teddy bear, Stars, moons, clouds. I had 2 of those. I don't want either one. Numbers. Pacifier bottle. More baby stuff. Bib, pacifier, not pacifier. Bottle, booties. I'm just not doing this stuff anymore. Different types of leaves. All kind of little bitty things on here. Bows and crowns and hearts and yada yada. Baby onesies, socks. I don't know what all that is. Makeup, lipstick, paint brushes. This is the other half to the baby clothes. It tore. Alphabet. Small case, lowercase, alphabet. Larger case. A different type of alphabet. Pink. More flowers. What else do I have? Let's get it out the bag. More alphabet. And one more. This is a high heel shoe. Put that on pause. Pause. Come on, TV. This is a high heel shoe. Well, you stuff the fondant in there, and it's an entire shoe. Take it out. It's a shoe. So that's what I have for her for now. I'm gonna go through my box that I'm keeping one more time before I package this up and send it out. But my goal is to package it, weigh it, and get it in the mail today, being that it's Friday. So thank you for watching. Much appreciated. They say everything is content, so this is why I'm boxing, showing you a boxing instead of an unboxing. Everything is content. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll check you out in the YouTube streets. Hit the like button, please. Thank you. Peace and love. I've added a few more items, unbeknownst to her, to the package that will come in time for Halloween if she'd like to use these. I have no more use for them.